Misamu akwa babio ye case ana me no me ne ye case ana me na me case na ene ye to ekuta misa no tie ne de ehem cause the bia ye be kan wari asem bia na mema na dwa the law is not on your side. The law is on your side. Ubo obre ye dia the law will help you cause law side omo interpreting law na no mo kire mra nim no any parliament wo mo ye mra na ye hwe oba nim ene ye hwe oba nim oba ma nim ti ma me chao we a book Marriage and Divorce the family we onim ya ho aware ho aware jaye ni wachirem na waye ne book no nti ye de bekọ asori ne ade ne akọchechem sabe ma no hwesuma so kwase ebu eya enti mu amubu nkofo kwase anu mbeja ya munya ma ne bi so bu mema kwase pa munya mbedi enti unya book bia wotimi ahwem na wahwe se de ensem no etiem we ye senior law lecturer se de maka no ewo makola Mrs Frederica Eshring Obin ana ye ne betwetwe nkomo no akire mu de law no eche ewo ho ma mema good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Mbacho se ho ye de
me ho ye papa
na school for na
obi aho ye
me ko bi se mo si o ma me we your authority in family law mo che so book kra na mo de che ade nyankopon sha so yo ba na wasua law na akwakodu eche sa ye ma na ye ofie na ye mo ene inkwara ko SH so be nkwaya law na law for de omo wale o na law for de na omo twema nso so me hu ye oba wale fo mu ya ne ade a wako ani ma monyam chese wo de na obekafa ema yesu law ni bi enye ya na
obia sua law a eye papa
Osa ye kuapi ni o
you
tina wa ben be possible
thank you you obia sua law eye papa because me baba ko ye
lawyer I see
na ba ko
ana de lawyer ba
obia you na ba ko so ha no so mpese okosua law eye mom but the only thing I can say pray dey obia ye lawyer na okense oko legal practice din kakra you intimate na nka me advice say we wie law na bia wa hwehwe adwuma bi say obeye teacher obey an lecturer
eti na me pese me law lecturer
we a lecturer
ade na practice ye din ma lawyers no
one said try ko ware say na wo ma wo fie ne ma esese wo ye na fe client bia be hu bi cry say okopumase budi na achi na uko north na uko yesa eno na ye den mamia no you nti mia no the constitutions say bia insurance company bi na wakoshe ho breo nti eye papa say
mama o kan say so a feminist group bi na de almost umu a
and so true
no so omo de beba so
but one person one name merma na je no one so obetumi aye
but that means it was say sacrifice fie niam bi
thank you
for no
exactly
because you can't have it all
no
me kai say professor o sister Penny professor Emesa Bonsu ba ha interview no kan so no wie ye no o hwe ni nuanom mema na ade no nya time ama ne ma mienu no na ene o hwe ne ma no a oda nyankopon ase se ode law practice no ba for we because na ko ni mienu no enye yi enti sa de ade ne yemfa ema no bebre no mo nko kira de law schools because law schools and so lecturers say wo hono dodo na ye mema
and also true because of sa ratio na you know I'm hoping mom say gradually no and there will be an equilibrium in the sense say obia miano ni merma no wo be ye pepe because me class say no mia fiaso doso mia fiaso
o makola ho na na
makola practice kakra na me wo practice for takrade into places like bibia goso ne matakwa ni nyina na wasoma me cases 5 a.m. na ma sorry because say me nyadena ho necessary
the man pacho we dey as me call private yi mu but okunu nso ye lawyer
Debbie
then no because at the channel be to me go be 10 p.m.
Oh, you.
Then I would why now how many years? Nyawari na then all the way to me at now I 36 years.
You now oh can na netisa I think na say eresa because who me be brave lawyers me be brave awon aware who lawyers me ani bi nso aware lawyers who nti eresa kakra but sometimes no difficult because me kunu say me man bi wo ho am ka kire na onye ni you onye ni ti say ne anema wo divorce o jai divorce anema na ese watch no enu yade a how merima bebre
nti dem lawyers mema no ware na say lawyers ma no ware no
merima no aya na em say osuro kakra aya no osuro kakra say wo because makasa me hu ma me na have the experience because I sometimes make me feel say oh na ma me na me edin dodo
sao
you I how long?
Me here for bed 2 hours profile.
I know.
I'm being dragged. I like that experience. Because I was here to me transfer away my young girls, including myself.
You.
Are you forced to one way? But all right.
That's it. Or am I right?
The other now to me, man, yes, and yes, one way, but
oh, difficult. Ebi wo ho ntiase. Ebi wo ho ntiase kura. Up till now, ebi wo ho still on ntiase. Ni amachro wo book ni mukra me de kire ni se eyi wo book yi mu na se na ye de kire lawyers no still onye ni no se manu ye den enti anu so betumi aye problem say we obia lawyer na wo ware a fa hye wa adwunu mu se wo di law no beto nchen kra pesa aware ni ye fine afa law no to nchen wo ba fia wo ye ordinary woman bia keke wo ko ba bia say wo practice wo law na say wo teach wo law na wa ko teach you
well some better on chamber say 1 year better on chamber 1 year
you
because enim de no do so nti yembra book nim de nti de wo kana wo si ama mema no suo awaigyaye no
you
ama enokra no sese bebe nware o omo ya no me na wa wo baako mienu nti enko aware enim de na ma aware ye aware a edimu a law no hu law no recognize say dem beka legal aware be na law no gitum say we de ya aware kan
won say Ghana hankasa no aware na ye ebiesa ye wo customary law marriages and I will marry.
But you know what them would treat. Customary need the
fear aware. And no ho. And a ordinance marriage so e wo ho ordinance marriage na nia wo ko register ho na wo ko certificate no me ade court ko ye na na say e be asori dem and san ye wo Mohammedans one so one marriage e be san nyina ni nyina bia wo mra fifa you yeah ufa Mohammedan marriage say na won haye bibia wie no esese wo ko register marriage no now one day so one register marriage now according to the law no there is no marriage
yen kramofo de no
kramofo de
ya say 1 week
within 1 week I say
we are very we are na awure na we ya 1 week also ko register
yes
one ko register onya
one ko register there is no marriage what would happen then is that if the man should say oberma no you oberma no ko wu one chiro will bia wo in the eyes of mra no wo nye yere na so wa ware no ebia wa ware no be 10 years ebia wa ware no be 15 years because my nya japade because one call register nti mra no de wo baka say wo nye yere na so wa hu say mra na edien niema no a nhihye say bia obi wu a sane wo che niema no fa ne ade no ni aka ne say oberma no wu ana obia no wu na wanye wela niema no be che mu se che we say ebi bako yere no ho say bia wo dan ba kwan say ko yere no ho ene niema ne ade nanti say wo no wan ko register ebe na no ko gina ho aka say papa no awewu no eye wo yere because law no eren cover eno de ya de a ewo ho a mprempren ne se
em say we say masalachi me ya arrangement man na yakọ masalachi na ya yes yakọ kan because nkromofo de bebre nim
me say me student and kasa about 6 months ago yes our topic. Oh, say what, madam? Is that what you are telling us? Them say, well, yeah, that is the law. Oh, say we are on register.
That's why you claim money.
Oh, you.
Inti patrol we na. Ono we on register. You say 1 week na law na kano. Etwem na ko register. Law no be cover one.
No, you will not be covered.
Inti just was na ya wire for.
Just say we are wire for. But Mrani say it be our very good reasons. Why ya nientia. One call register but I say apply for court.
Yes, court,
yes. I say court my paper say yes. I don't know we year be 1 year 2 years ago no. We bet me
ma una o chere law wo school but your law we utu say yenu an kremofo bebe amwa wo because ofria na bi o mokota male na o mokoye a honeymoon no kra na wotu betwem ade na o be giatum say e bia ehu hia say ye changes.
Oh, changes no dey say because any fair to the Muslims, gramophone, any fair. Esan say customary marriage, no ye near when
if ye dear no
fear war non so. Emra or say, ubet me ako register. Ne no, would upa now register. So one difference. Hey, into fear young customary dinner, they can no say then dinner day. Law ni say wo pa na wo register. Now one register wo register. Aware the law will recognize it. Mrani beje tum say wa wa. Tis asadia. Adenti na kramode no one yen sa.
Okay.
And no necessary wahwe na won minim say won aka ho asema ka. Te say wahwe no wo yen na say changes bi be ba ma won a. Sa changes no apa
ma wache nkromofo de no makọ akiri pa nti emfa efie de no so se opa e na obe register unim say no nti ama mema bi afa ho chance obekọ akoye ho ade ofie na se kra de omo trick bi omo nya ho ade kwa na akoye kokoko eno kwa uti aye no uti aye onye kokoko kwa no wa utu ono wa one obedada so de twen so obanyem a eya na dodo na mo se oyenye ne ho ade owo a wo so ye beto akra ne ho so ye no wa 1 bo ho no wa 2 bo ho no wa 3 na mote wonom nti sa opa na wo register no so eno so nya problem
we say yen de no customary de no say wo register one register the law mrano be recognize wo beje wa aware na atum
inti mama mo suro say chinchina enko register ansam eno mu hia so be suro
that be because we see the okọ register eno nkyere say bia ye de na so enya de bia eye say wa register obetumi o register obeba paper bi paper kitwe bi na we kura say abranti oni ababai won abe register aware nti obetumi akura wa de say dachi obi challenge you say one ware man wo court a obetumi ayi paper na kire say oh ye ko register
but obetumi aware bi aka ho
you who register one
only say go for was adwene to ko register be ma no ntumi ware bi ka ho but on share registration chrono
yes crofo confuse registration no with ordinance marriage no
court and sorry them there
court and sorry them anya pekra e dey anya pekra wo ni answer mu kona uti o me ni ababa ye nga aware na wa je affidavit bi ni ma near complicated kakra nti je se wo fa lawyer no boa no ma ko register eno nkire say e fede one who say customary marriage no eno eye polygamous me sure say polygamous in the sense
if you are yen de obema no tumi ware become
exactly
but eno kwan so enye fe na polygamous no ade na ye man de ye ware become wenye ye law no kan polygamous so anka say for men man kwa na
for men man kwa but me ade na polyandry me ade no friend polyandry
then the law is gender insensitive
probably
because men man no tumi ware become there ene nyina be ye fia ware ni bi ne yeso tumi aware bi aka ho.
No, but you see, the thing is that we share circumstances to say, obvious or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4
But
how proper would that be?
Maybe morally, but the law doesn't say anything like that.
No, the law, but it is not recognized.
In Ghana?
Yes, in fact, it is prohibited.
How, ma?
Yes.
So, Babe, why me?
Obiawa wari merima two. No, it is prohibited.
Ma, by what law?
I think the law would be more implied. So law needs
implies, Mema no Supreme Court never implied. Well, I feel so one of these days I'll see a court to seek an interpretation.
And also yeah, possible, yes.
Say, yeah, can be customary law is customary marriage is polygamous. Ne I can't Mema no.
Yes.
Na yeah. Cause polygamous in nature, I'm town so yeah, the omo you. Mema
no. Because I polygamous ninti. Oberma chese oberma tumi war bebre ninti. Say in fact. Se wa worry under customary law. Na se ukunu no kra no okotwemp na wontumi nyina so mfa nkogya no. Se bia obaka say oh me kunu commit adultery. So far as customary law marriage in the na wo ho kwan say otumi worry me as many as he may wish no. Of course, so oko chimp na no asana we decide so be one na be kan ho ana.
Hey ma,
you
say mema na hihye samra we.
Thank you. Nti won ahihya ma.
Omo ho.
Yes.
It's not fair.
Yeah.
Nti wa here no nti e was say free necro ye kana nkofo te o TV so say
yes.
Obi anko check na wa ye krata na e de man no say e customary marriage Anaa say ordinance. Say customary marriage dia ukunu kotwemp na untumi nka hwe
Debbie
nti na oba no kotwemp na dia obetime agina so akọ tia wari
see but obia wo aware in polygamous yes ukunu wo me afọ wo obia no se wo ko twemp na oh papa ni tumi gina so jao
eno de law no be
adultery yes
law no be jatu say adultery
obia yes
but be man de okotwemp na law no engine to say adultery
so far as fie
ma nya wonu nua no ya na ye law ma ye who your authority in law do kan no mo cho law no
me buy no nga chiro
no ma ma why you want me that buy no ma chiro that
yes
but we have to say ye nyini akoyanim. Why should we continue to accept the customary law potentially polygamous? Yes. Not many taking advantage. But obade, uko chimp na. But oba to be jinam penatria na ukunu. Okay, but Mbusa say, so obama no ko chimp na. Na say bia because of penatria nti unye fine.
Yes.
Because emotionally, and also a torture. We am short say, ofa oba for bia chop money kra 2 cities. What is so any 1 city or the 1 city come oba for no so to me nyina so enye bibi enya case.
Se oberma no kotwemp na saa no na as a result of mpnatwe no niema bi sisi wo aware no mu a eno de ubetumi agina saa niema na resisi no but untumi nyina saa mpnatwe no so nti sani awkai wa kotwemp obi oberma bi wo ho a ohu obi afofo no mu awo ono nkasa oma wo nchen oma osika o maintain saa eno de ubetumi use for the dissolution of the marriage.
And ubetime use anya ma no.
Say bia and
so no na
ubetime
use no.
Yes.
So bia waduane oni a ubetime use.
Yes, but as a sense so niema no eye niema edoso kakra eya ahom so dodo anti as I said udo court no beka say oh nia papa ye de enye na obiara ni ho a obetumi ahwe saa de na waka se woman no onkoso nware no na no unreasonable behavior. So hunti exercise ya wo hwe corners because say bia mfan say wukuno akotwemp na wuntumi nyina mpa no to but wakotwemp na wakofa yare bia brew eno saa no ubafa yare no na ubafa so de seek dissolution no you
but obetumi say bia obi won mo power wijai o but bia no pese otwe be ma na so no so obetumi agina so say bia be ma bi no wote na ono nti yie so eno law no che bibi wo ho
eno so de mi hu law bia kire sa say woni ukunote na den say
unreasonable behavior is here be but wo seek dissolution but pese otene no law na anye recommendation
there be na mom wobetumi akọ baby to say doves say wobetumi akọ doves doves wo kwa wobɛfrɛ ma no na mutu no wɔn atry sɛ wɔbɛ counsel because wo mpɛ we dissolve marriage
but me okay sana ɛna ne yeguso e de bro no we your book from marriage and divorce. This is an authority mami wo kyerɛ lawyer fo ade wa ben pa ntunim ye betwe ho aba na yasan ba ye ba Fred wo ye screen no say number bi guso Fred na busa one question ne edika yaka enkremofo ade what I say ama wa kyerɛ sɛ enkremofo de no kɔ ya mmeli na awre na wɔtwe 1 week betwem one register wa ware no haram Allah Quran jintum nti ji so kɔ ye emra no ukɔ sign wo court nti bato ya fa ne careful wa see ebe ya nke yensesa mra ne de waka na efia waye no so ma na ma ware wo fie no you very careful see untumi nyina mpena twe a wukunu twe so enkoja ware uba quarter omuni mpanifo omoto omumwa o eno nya grounds na mum esan se law no che se o se be mo no twe mpena asa na ware ti obi an ko check ne paper na okuta no se ye court de o se ya so de wo de ana se eye fie de ana enkremofo de a ni nyina no wetumi aba no aba be kan wa se ye twa ho aba na aba be to aso no case ana ni friends se a na busa question na ma anya buche mi se hwe won chemu ema o na wetumi hu nsem ni nyina Ebuziavo yewo live bio ewo Adom TV so yewo case ana me no me yewo case ana me wo case ana ena o hwe no e fa me vim lady efia pokua na me ne me se hwe obin ena eye dwumedie nti ye pese ofre na wa ye mu question bia be ma no onya wo ye ngu aware no ofie ono so ongu no asori dem ena ongu no court asori dem kwa de ontumi nkogu aware nti so de court kogu no enso ebia waja wetia de nkofo friend separation no ye bebusa lawyer say e wo Ghana mremu ana enim but mama ndi kan ka say mpacho nim we are marriage counselor now we asori dem Presby Methodist Pentecost Assemblies of God and also bia wo bia Mr. Bookwe uhia copy marriage and divorce me say ehwe obin e na atro uhia bi mo amoya counseling ni ade ne because also hu de mra ne kire wa ware na nkata wo ware no ya betena ha no ma the registrar general for ba ha mo mbeche mu say unyina ware asori mfichire bia so wa aware a ebi wo kwa aware no emra bi enim wo betena no face na owo bi ba afo so ye yire ana wo yekunu ni aka cho say asori no kwa nya recognize so obey register aware nti pato unhia book we bi won hu say wa ware ni edim wo mra nanim atubako first retirement but say judges no go supreme court wa wa so be hye wo si be mani ja wa odubedu o si enim onya aware fo aware ne ye nyintum ebi a wo kra wo nya kunu wo nya yire ho na agbohu ti book we obi a ehia bi mama na me busa question bi bra e ko break ni say ya yeta kan o ha ya ni no lawyers bebre atwema so say supreme court the decision bi aba say obi tina kra say mai bi a mewa o sa no ote na 2 years abetwem 3 years abetwe na usi jeans onu aduane eyie ba na odi nachi e ma no to de yesi edowa ma say wa onim yetumi yesa be nkwase aduma be ma bi su tumi show baby san ko school no wie nursing teacher training omo say so anya ho ade de a so owu oware 10 years kra 20 years no oja ko oba fufro uni case wo oba no uni case wo be ma no so uni case eno mpacho ewo law mu
say oberma no ono we sa no jao na okoware obia fufura
anabi wo ko nyao but wo bibi wo mranim
and so nyao ye there the thing is that 1950s nimu ena Justice Olenu ono kan say aware bi wo ho a eye mpena aware minim say Asante area ho
sa mo frɛ no
wo beti wo frɛ no mpena aware which means say woni obi twe mpena etumi be ya aware so wo say wo hwe ni ye now translate ni ya na che say wo fi as recognize sa mpena aware no a che enti Olenu no mo kan a ena Olenu be kan kire say marriage is na ya mpa eye fe eye it is desirous say obia de obema berima besrew ena eja chief kra wo kan da wo yan him sinu ya de wo kan say mumma wo mra wo obia ma wo mesrew na nye fe nti eye but osan kan so say situations bitumi ba na obia no ne oberima no meye obia no ho ade na mum whatna for a very long time we create impression be say your husband and wife. Nipa wo ho hu nyina ne na abusuafo ma na abusuafo oberema na abusuafo obia na abusuafo we recognize one as husband and wife. Won awo ma mofra na anyin. Nanti wo je di say ye fair say so oberema no kowu a wo be kan say obia no onye yiri. Ana ole ni hwe ano so dabi especially why oberema na abusuafo wo ba na wo frɛ wo oh maase yese ase aba na maame na ogige ne ma fi wo nkyɛn otu betena ho wɔn awo wɔde mofra na atoto mo na fe papa na ewu a na mu se dan ba ko a wotimu no wo mfim because papa na mfansa sabio wan fansa apetashi and you and ayi sad na what in self gu no you God or whatever one fan self and me see what damn school for no rough say now what in self we see what now on a nim tree now on a cotton say never on a flower tama now on a benum now on a didi what may yes sad in 10 or 15 years are on the ma minute 9 ma minute 7 on and until on yeri Debbie obey because as you may know even in equity which I will say what is my common sense telling me ni amakasa meri ye we a judge esa obi sa hu say makasa ni ameri ye na ma me kan say me pam na me de bia and no sa no de no
okay
because and
but then no press 2016 Supreme Court take decision bia sana lawyers in bia be kan house so mo take decision be say common law wife there no amount of years of concubinage and it to me translating amount the rights of a wife or a husband in a marriage. In Timpedu, if you be only obi best na say 20 years of cry, common sense ya ye aduma emmem. E bi mo be kan wa.
I was a Supreme Court now master judgment no. Okay. Me hu ye mo to be very honest. Me hu. But
nipa dey bet me the equity
sa judgment yes. But na me can say one cases ni bi wo ho a a woman say a be a Supreme Court akasa. Now so we read na uhwema ube who say a debentina Emma wakasa because you see there is a vast difference between concubinage and aware. Into ube hena sa case no be no just a concubine.
Okay.
Maybe she wasn't even recognized by the family. Anybody. Okay. Yes. There must be a reason. Next time yeah
but the old chairman said there be a busuafo na gina tom
yes
e be akwa ye kro di na chi no ne ko I for bo dim one ne wo ma e ma no kra ye de o ma toto to oba no betimi anya right bi
yes
e wo japade bia one be ma no kwa san ye japade abom okay
e bi wo kwa na case bi esi say abusuafo no when the man died when him say wo frɛ woman say ade biara say you provide no woman provide in fact a perform ni nyina a dead body no kura we say the wife must stay with the dead body for a certain number of days also ni nanmu or yes ade ni nyina so she was treated as
a wife
a widow as a wife okunafo treating so okunafo until mama no to adaka say until say wokosie no I fed wokosie no no buy I say mama no yere I mean how would this I mean I would never do that. Even if I was sitting as a judge. I would never. I would rule that the woman was a wife and she is entitled to benefit under our law 111. Yes.
My that's it. Me sure being wise woman, you know. Na me pai bone ubeko Supreme Court. I was all court bench no so. Oh yeah man. I was all court bench no so because but when we about court baby near her separation say our year nipa ntam tete a etete mesramo numbers bi o TV no so hye na frey na for problem beto and the lawyer ukọ nanimu a mpacho wuntumi ntia on baby o hia dia kodu no ene ne small lawyers ko wuntumi ntia mo na authority mpacho to any opportunity na mso friend na kan wasem na ma on kire mu ma ono che lawyers ade o onye ni packet of cry man pacho ene on say before awaye na kasa wa kire mu de ma awaye no eye valid na mpacho sa me ko separation but before that no omuko ya awaye na omuko ya wasore dem na so omuko register yeah by force abusuan for parents no awofo no omo na be sign enti se omo wadamfo bi ko sign a eno ma awaye no ye gituma enye ya na
Oh, emra determined say by force so father. And I thought ni amra can say there must be witnesses. It's answer me worry no. And your mammy no be signing. And your papa no, you know, my sister and madam for, and I was signing.
That's why
a valid.
Two for people in future on America for be a so Vegas on Covo San Nomako, some married kios in Nomako Yebisa. I have credit to me, or be what ya broche, you not be why or Ghana. Be a new Biawaha, Nebusian for broche, to a fan Adam for be. Nadam for me, no, the some uncle sign. Into here, they be margin almost say, never valid, and my way.
Oh, there be. Because one law no, I Eddie, our no son, ordinance, no. A chair near Messese who follow Mina. And what that law says is that the witnesses must sign at a certain place. Okay. But when I said that I identify, say the witnesses must include the following people.
Yes,
so far as we are over 21 years, no, or probably 18, you can sign.
Into patrol, separation, say, Bia, Bemane title, one more title, unreasonable behavior, or title or boy, Jamai, one parents, or come, Memano, say, Mamma, my bomucha lawyers, so, call law schools, almost 10 lawyers, or the baby, oh, and so now would deal. Say, Uja na kwotena baby no no so tena eti baby a eye de abroche for friend separation no law no e ka say then na law no chere was separation no.
Well, we see law no I can say first pa nanka law bi wo ho a mo yesa o be man o mu an ade but me apply restitution but when it doesn't apply but say no what the law says ni say we separate after 2 years we bet me a base wo divorce on separation we bet me about court about can say well man separate for 2 years until we pay divorce. Now mom there is a condition. The condition is that the man must agree to the divorce.
I was a bear man to say yes obeja awaye no. It is a 1 year to one Mokonko.
Mokwakunko, who has a 5 years. Lord says, some separate for 5 years. And they will to me a lawyer. Now I file with divorce her now. Man or pill on pill. Yeah, the memo. Now, man, 2 years. Sanchez Mubio. Obi a Homano so bad, only a very important Sanchez. 2 years.
Separation, Munya, while you about waiting, baby.
Ubet was our chain. Until 2 years. Now 2 years, no. And also, as I say, we can't hear man say, yeah, and so. Matthew in chain for so long, 2 years. But one didn't agree. Now, you could divorce. Into a say man, or child sudden, it must be in writing. Hey, now we are attached to petition. No.
So what you have to so be
or no so ye nyai. Or bear man and penia. There's nothing you can do. That is the law. Just say no sanko. Now chenga for 5 years.
Now say be be person why wa. And no baby person why be man no.
Yes.
And then ma mema baby do for.
No, but you know what? It works both ways.
And my man no move for che ko why no be no ko why give you better na 5 years nso ye. And so no ko why give you better now.
And but you see say ober man no ko ware girl before my separate.
No, go wire about for
2 years near 5 years. No, go wire up for won't go for separation. War bian. We go for something else. Say be adultery.
Okay.
Because we call wire bian. We commit adultery until you look for some other reason.
But I know you only for our area ordinance. And I saw them. And court to them.
I saw them.
If you are they don't be for we go.
Fear wire no so better to me. I call fear wire and say when change law no. Until law no say no day. Fear wire no cry no. Still, ube to me apply as if say why wire no a court and I say assault.
That is 4% you go away no.
So person will go away na. Why wire customary say but so person ugu na ube to me abba court. Now because a year can fear wire they say fearful nana can would dissolve no. Now say who say fearful no. Wakotna no would dissolve.
Esi si o mu di si o.
Si nipa. enti one share now your beer man or wadan 3 one mouth share nothing one come maintenance one some and more custody of children cry one share one can one some papa beer intimate dam catch every students nisi obi bow one our worry under customary law cry use some new law now or the but not court because who court then you can ask for a number of things. Yeah.
Manyankopo nsham ne adwuma mu ye bampato obi case o de ba say separation ye be oja no obanity baby be manity baby but 5 years na chi no be man na san ba say enya hwe open back eno obetimi o so on aware no but open back
well say mama no so
oba no kra ko fo obi ufro so be man na san ba say open no
oh you and
no all claims aware dada no emu ye into open back
well you see the man is right yes because I saw them
mama check it I saw them and I say I saw them I saw them ordinance marriage you know ade back when wo ho ne say nia obetumi egu no eye court obiara ni wiase ha obetumi egu ordinance marriage inti ordinance marriage ne de hwe so far as won call court inko dissolve ye no mo ya warfo and mo separate for 20 years so why was say na mo separate for 20 years obia no ko ne nam London no ko tena ma no so te Ghana na ma ni wu a se so obia no ba tem na obedi ukuna na so na to be
well some man akoya hwe one ko dissolve marriage it is still we wife
obia o say case you dey buy no oni case be man mom na wo case because oba no da ho ye ne yire
obia no da so ye ne yire
even after 5 years no
oh yes because I could dissolve after 5 years 6 years 10 years so far as we decide and man obet me akwa can say I'm claiming my wife
I'm claiming my wife
yes
obi awia na yire nto oje na yire back
thank you because the marriage is still in existence woman always says yeah man no obedi na ade obedi na ade irrespective of the fact say
na separate number 2 man we are ordinance marriage em fan say ebusuafo no friend obra me emu awa yenku say ordinance no kwa ya mota ye fie de na nsa no makọ court ana asori de makosan say ebusuafo no friend na e bia wankwa eno so obetimi aka so case
and they found so far as court just a judge sign say the marriage is dissolved the day the judgment is read no sa no enana aware no I come to an end.
I see.
Ti wo baya na yira ad infinitum. Wo baya na yira sa ti wo kwatena ba bi sa na ba na wo sika na na ma bi kakra na wa yekom
na wo amba.
Ye wade. Onya wu sekim bra.
Na ma wo dia ne. Ye ta ka sa ebi o wo dia.
Wo wu dia na. Oberima no so sa pa yekom.
Ma ye na ne homra ne mfa nkofo course. Mba to mo phrase sesi a na mo fo ma wa ye ne. Ebi obi siso ne nto aso mi o case na ni enne wo case na wo be hu abusia vo enne ye wo case enne wife wo case papa isa se ne me se hwe obrin ada omenti ye ya aware separation divorce wa ijaye upo umpo akwento na edu baby a na be ma asesa oba nso asesa asisi abam empenifo na ka o masem se eyi odosan na ato adapa to de bia na adapa na ye serious nti wotena ho a se de Yesu kan ye no se wo betena ho ama wo do nsa beko o se ye mu de wutwa nsa na twene a na duko eyi oso ahemamu ana se eyi onyankopon paradise a anka ye nti ene ye be ya kan ware no ho asem ba ne papa mu a se de Yesu kan nka ware gya ye de ompe but esisie nti booki also obi enya bi marriage and divorce ya de beba mo sorry dem ami aba be cheche ni nyina wo se de ba esisie na asofo ni bi ko esisi wo mo yire church elders wo mo sisi wo mo yire no emema so for mama for bebre so esisi nkofo nti say wo de twama mbiem marriage and divorce written by Mrs. Frederica Eshring Obin Okuapini report so high papa but we are 36 years so long na che what you say me ye chi no ho tuko hu mama na in a way Kelly one no so ho say na ho say yeah lawyer wa bia onim life be hwe ne bagel no ono bo life kwa che ne mama wo che Miss World enti numbers in here frey na fa questions to lawyer nim 030221170 ekosi 1 and 4 obetimi 0302 Accra code 211701 ekosi 4 mpacho obetimi afre na wo de adwenche no question busa question about waware no obetimi yi ano ede ama message na wo studio message now o kan ayi separation na lead to divorce. What about say divorce nankasa say mo ntamo ntiti yo but o de awaija ye na pese ojai
okay what we say law back say so worry I saw them then am kan you customer in the obetimi ejai time bia ope na once I walk church and now say court no emrani say just say we train for 2 years and sana wait me after a divorce
asa
you yes said we worry na next year we say oh me pay divorce there be as I say we train
na se be mani kun kra after 2 years in my
and no na exception say but just say I didn't ye situation no ye very bad man rukum and no very man rukum or bia no na che say oye no hwehwe no the exception court no be say oh ye ntumi ntina ho na ababa yi onwu ana say abranti wu ntia no de wo be hwe na why yes
na but ebi no wo ho no na say dey titinto bi wa ne ho ni wo no court no no as
the
obi wa ne ho ni ho
you
court may consider an issue like that as a serious issue.
Yes, just say not open say grant for divorce. Oh you say, yeah, because you see the say won't worry as I say mutumi consummate marriage no nim say na obekan
so munyankita udie and Adam knew his wife just Adam ni Eve die ni bi
thank you as I say mo yes ade no mo ye no ba ko pe na che say ja the marriage has been consummated as si Paul na che say yes
now so no da ba ko no wana bi we
you see ono da ba ko no wana bi wa eno e grant for divorce
but and also say 2 years na be mansa.
And also, as I said, 2 years number because one who say, and no, I na kasana, especially saw them with Denya and say, we shall steps be brave or what I say, we take and son of one certificate, dear Kowari. Obia one your certificate, now I call was saw them and now say, court to cry the one warrow, but who need certificate now call was saw them. As I say, who say, why war no, a polygamous and your ordinance marriage. You
mama jina so na me fa Abigail ko asem wo aka no ara just me san do ko share next week san do ba bio eto aso sister Abigail mpacho good afternoon
auntie mpacho apome
nyankopon da ma wo ka se free he
mpacho me ka sa fi adabra ka me tem program ne pa
mpacho busa lawyer question what na wo ko no office ya
me Adom
mpacho bo mo dey busa question nya sa wo ko no office a wo hu no
mpacho the problem ni say me oba ma 5 na so ma share them be 2.5 years onu wawari for wawari da o share me o ka tell me say wawari da no oba ni so on power any bill am oba na for 13 years before ohun mi they say I used to ya say worry say so oba no so woman no aba mi fi o abeye mi no ko no aba mi fi no abeye mi no ko ntimi mas me ko Pentecost ntimi da some me ko 2 year past name say ma sia be ma bi before answer na me ba sorry no na be ma no so worry am oba na ko 13 years o worry
mbacho o sister Abigail awaye na be ma ne yire no wire ne awaye ben
mbacho o mu worry wo asori den
anti wo hu krata ne say ordinance de ni bia na afia awaye de
ai me hu odi bibia atre mi
na paper no ni ma de cross say wo paper no a who ordinance certificate abe wuna if you awaye dia ube hu
mbacho me suku konkwe chire ba fi set marriage set no wo ba ni ho ma oba ni di be chire mi
but odi be chire ni atro so dey say ordinance ana say den
sorry omo ko sign wo court
there bi o ye wo mu mienu nti na ma wo so onye no asana wotimi aboa wa hwe say wo case ana oni case but ma apart from enokra no say fa say efia wa ya na say ya obeti oba no betimi akwa ye no sa
oh Debbie yaw no sa na de ontumi nkon ho nko yaw no say but no a different matter enye family law na mom part na ubisai say den aware say ma no maame no first woman no aware ne ye customary no one wa aware no say customary dia ene na ma no obetumi oh no first woman no so ne ye customary dia ene ma no obetumi aware oyi aka you say eye ordinance na say eye ordinance dia ene ma no ontumi ware wo bibiara wonni no beye no enimu enyamra kwan so say ordinance dia ene na ma no bo modern aka kire no say onko dissolve ba kono one maame ne de on maame ne de ordinance de onko dissolve asana watumi aware wo
okay but also betimi afre na do question to lawyer nim na lawyer di e am 0302 211 701 and 702 704 ni nyina mu bia obetimi afre na wo busa question no free consultation na ma e de ma no nti ma awaye jaye no na asa awaye nimu a ebedi ni gina na ware kro no se de mo hyehyɛ no asa na wotumi afa kwan a etene so and the necessary wuntu bin ka se bia the same formula ene ye de gu ni nyina
aware oh say aware no de say nka ye two no wo fa eya customary na fie de na eno fie sane a wogu no oti ohia na wo merima obia na oberima obisa ngasem ni ate na wogu no eno wo ho
okay
now so say wa worry under the ordinance no dia and no matter what ese ukokot
okay
sa
inti pato ma ye nkramofo de no so omo ugu na law no ka say wo nkramofo de no
won de no so say wo nga won kwan a wo fa so de ye but the law says say we divorce no so call na call register one call register divorce na one say aware no register within 1 week divorce no and no they will say wo be man 1 month now we divorce one call o dey register one call register still wo worry your bear man
okay
can you believe it
okay ma it say a book here was say dey be call sorry awodom ne ekoye na nti wo pe bia na obenya no book no
book no
so far and then ma abontin
aba abontin mum
omo ni bia omo appoint sa ade
na nka law school makola ho bookshop yeah
o se ma ye de ba asori na obi enya bi makola no o kan kra na nko vote ya no mo ye ma hye omo o se ase on the lawyers court akese omo ba omo enya ho brofo a omo ye mbe hye omo tu de fa bi bra me na ye to na
nti kana pese mi kase
udi bi ba hase ya
obi pe bia na wa ba hye
be ba han so be to ba o so hwe vim lady ana afia pokoya o ba na wa ba beto ba ko na so akọ no akokan ohun se de ba obetime de mra no abo ho ba metena mo bia ensisi se de lawyer beka no ye beto aso ma 25 Ghana cedis we anya yi bia next week yankopon ya adom ne etim koma ye beto aso mesi se hwen obin yankopon sha se na oba ma ye e da se bebre ye yankopon pa ye beto aso next week we eye me okay sana fa me vim lady afia pokoya production team ni nyina ye de obi ase se ombo yankopon pa ye beto aso thank you